Hilton Island Fire Rescue. This is our third year of hosting our annual Hands-On Training Hot Girls Summer Camp, and we are super excited. We have a wonderful group of students this year. They are doing phenomenal, and we're just happy with their progress and their attitudes, and everyone is positive, and so the energy is awesome.
Perfect, there you go.
Through the performance of fire and EMS skills, these students are learning that they can persevere, that they can overcome, that they can weather challenges. And so as an instructor, as a firefighter, as someone who cares about this community, that's super important when you hear individuals at this age say that by doing these skills, they are learning how to believe in themselves. They are learning how to accept challenges, take them on, and persevere.
You learn teamwork, you learn how to boost your confidence, and you learn a lot of stuff overall. You meet new people and you understand them.
This has helped me boost my confidence, and also I've created like a lot of good friendships here.
We are seeing that instantly. There's so much confidence within them. Some of them are rising and showing their leadership ability, and so all of them are working together as a team. So they are exhibiting our fire rescue core values, and it's so cool and awesome to see as an instructor.
So I just started here about 3 months ago. I came down from New Jersey. I'm 19 years old, so I'm fairly young to be doing this. I think the girls' camp's really good for the community and building community relationship because it gives them a chance to come out and see what we do as firefighters. They get to put their hands on it, and they just get to experience what we experience.
Yep, it's all you.
With the participants this year, we have 5 skills. So of course we are doing water supply, hose deployment, forcible entry, ladders, and search and rescue.
Forcible entry. I like it because it's just fun. Like, you get to open doors, use like different tools I've never heard of before. It's like 3 different parts of the tool, and there's like communication because you have to have a friend help you with like an axe, and you gotta like tell them different words like strike and drive.
I like the search and rescue activity the most. I think it's kind of challenging since you have to like carry them out and stuff, but overall it's really enjoyable because you don't really get to do that anywhere else, and it feels kind of memorable.
Probably the fire hydrant because it takes a lot of like strength to do that, and I think that can build you up.
So oftentimes when people speak about girls camp and fire and EMS service, they talk about statistics, but in reality stats matter. But what matters even more is when you're in your local grocery store and you see women who are firefighters, they stand out. When you see women who are firefighters, they have a presence. And so as we interact with these girls over the course of 1 week, we are seeing their potential. We are seeing that ability that they have to be comfortable in fire and EMS careers.
I want to become someone who helps people out in the future, so this looked like a great way to start it.
The instructors within Fire Rescue have been absolutely amazing, taking the time, sharing their knowledge, committed to our community outreach programs, and so it's a testament to our department, our leadership, who we are as an organization, and we continue to be very a part of this community.
They're all really nice, and they really help you get through it. They make the hard look easy, and then they teach you how to make it look easy.
The main advice I give is to just never give up. Always push through it. It's going to be hard. It's not easy stuff, but if you keep pushing through it, even if you don't do it well, you can always say that you tried your 100% best, and that's all you can ask for.
When I first got here, I was like, okay, I can do this, and it's going to be a new fun experience for me.
We just want to thank the parents, we want to thank the students, we want to thank our community partnerships because the 2026 Hands-On Training Girls Summer Camp has really been a success, and we thank everyone who has been a part.